And now it's Robbie's turn. And Robbie, whoops, girl, what are you up to? Erica, could you bring that picture back? Let me see Robbie playing at Carnegie Hall. I'll do a close-up of it. Bring it over. Let me see the picture. Hold it down. Let me zoom in. So that's Robbie right there. Is right here. And they're playing in Carnegie Hall. Excellent. And now let's watch Robbie play for real. Thank you, Erica.
Very nice, Erica.
Okay. Thank you very much. Everybody give them a good hand. Can we have a round of applause for our musicians? Thank you. Thank you.
Is that one or two songs?
That was wonderful.
How about
She
a
plays the
non-song?
violin.
Okay.
Does the drums.
Wow. We should have had a whole quartet. And here we are.
Are you recording it?
Yep.
That's all I remember.
That's good.
That wasn't very
That's
nice.
all I remember. Let's do the recording.
Thank you, Erica. Very nice. Take a bow. Okay, good.
Oh, that's what got them first place. Yeah. Oh, that's their neighbor.
That's Robbie's rock band called The Educators. They won first place at the school prize. And then Erica has made, in her science class, this model. Okay, we're ready. Erica, do you want to bring it up here and show it to me? Right, now tell me a little more about it.
When you press the button,
When you press the button,
the wheels move and the lights go on.
let me see the lights again because I missed that. So, there we go. Yeah, nice.
And the steering wheel moves the wheels.
That is really something. And you made that for your science class?
Yeah.
And so you got 100, there was 100 points available, and how many did you get?
There were 70 points available, and I got 90 56.
Wow, that's really cool, Erica. Nice science project. We're so proud of you. Okay, very nice.
What's your name? I'm Emily Ruth Pels. Can you show some dance moves? Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where do you live, Emily? Keystone. Connecticut. Bye. It is Thanksgiving today in 2008, and here at the top of our pyramid we have Adam Pels. The bottom we have Justin and Jordan Eisner. They are twins. They are in a pyramid right now. Break and do some dance moves, guys. Oh yeah. Get out of here! Get out of here! I'm gonna get out. Group bicker.
Here we are with the dogs. Who do you have?
I have Molly.
You have Molly? And that's Biscuit? Okay. And there's Karen. All right, so. I don't think they want to play too. Oh, there they go. Yeah, that looking pretty good.
And I'm wrestling Biscuit.
And you're wrestling.
And Biscuit's taking me down.
Biscuit's taking you down. What do you mean Biscuit's taking you down?
And I slam him down.
And you slam him down?
And I got him in a hole. I got mine in full wrestling.
All right. Wave goodbye. Can you get together? Wave goodbye.
Bye.
There they go.
Bye.
Bye. Biscuit, down.
Biscuit, down now.
No, that's what I do. Get me out of here, Molly. What? Molly. Down. Molly. Sit.
No.
Good girl. Down. Molly. Down.
I think there's too much people around.
Too many people.
I can't stand.
Distractions. Be free.
Let the heavy chair go around the other way.
Good boy.
But we
canceled our,
One kid off.
we had our flights booked and our reservations made at Disney. We canceled.
It happens.
Yeah, it does happen.
So you never did say what was going on with your team.
Well, you can
They
go
got
down.
out of practice last Friday night.